Hello and welcome into my latest series of videos where I'm doing hardware recommendations for regular people. A lot of the tech YouTube channels are very much enthusiast oriented where they're only concerned about the latest, the greatest, which is oftentimes the most expensive and hardest to acquire hardware. And it can often be finicky and difficult to get working because it's often technology that hasn't quite matured yet. As a technician with over 30 years of professional experience, it's strange to me that the vast majority of people do not appear to be represented in YouTube tech channels. So I'm going to try and change that. And we're going to start with this video today regarding the best USB Wi-Fi adapter that you can buy for under $20. When people need Wi-Fi added to a desktop or a laptop, oftentimes they think of hiring somebody to install it for them. But you can get a USB Wi-Fi adapter such as this one, which is not the latest and greatest. However, it is probably more than going to meet your needs. It's going to plug and play. With Windows 10, no driver install is necessary. You literally just plug it into your USB port and then you connect to your Wi-Fi router and you're up and running and you're spending less than $20. I've had customers contact me thinking getting a faster Wi-Fi adapter would make their internet faster, or not understanding that buying a faster Wi-Fi router and not buying a faster Wi-Fi adapter will result in no net gain whatsoever, and the vice versa is true as well. It can be very expensive to upgrade your entire network with the latest and greatest routers and Wi-Fi adapters, and then not upgrade your internet access. So everything still runs at the same speed it was running long before you spent all the money and went through all the configuration troubles. So when I'm referring to the rest of us, I'm referring to, in my experience, everyday ordinary folks that are not enthusiasts and just want to get a job done, and they don't want to spend a lot of money, and they want to make it simple. They want to do it themselves and not pay somebody like me to do something they can do themselves. So this adapter, this is made by Techkey. Actually, it's probably not made by them. I think they just put their name on it. I'm sure that there are others just like this available on Amazon with different brand names on them. But I'm going to tell you what makes this my recommendation. First of all, most customers that I deal with do not have the latest Wi-Fi routers. They're several years old in most cases. Sometimes customers will call me and say maybe the Wi-Fi broke on their laptop, and it can be quite expensive to repair that. Other times people have a desktop that they've moved and they now need Wi-Fi for it, and they don't know which Wi-Fi adapter to buy. For under $20, this is something anybody can easily add to a desktop or laptop and not have to pay for the repair, let's say, of a bad laptop Wi-Fi adapter. Just plug this in, you're good to go. This doesn't require any external drivers on Windows 10. Windows 10 will recognize it when you plug it in, and then you just connect it to your router and you're good to go. So let me show you what's in the box. And there are certainly lots and lots of choices when it comes to making a Wi-Fi adapter purchase, both in USB, internal, and lots of options, and ranging in all forms of pricing. And my goal here is to try and get you the middle ground, something that will appeal to the vast majority of people, that most people can afford and most people are fully capable of doing themselves without paying someone like me to configure it for you. So in the box, it's quite simple. We've got some instructions, a driver disk. On Windows 10, we will not need the driver disk, and we don't even need the directions, to be honest. And here we've got the USB adapter, and then the antenna screws on the end. This is not shipped connected because it would make it very easy to be damaged in shipping. So we're just going to screw that on to the end, and then you can plug this into the USB port of any desktop or laptop computer, and with Windows 10 it will automatically load the driver, and you'll see your Wi-Fi network, and you can then connect to it, and you're done. And when I say you're done, I mean you're done for a long, long time. These units, these Wi-Fi adapter units, are very robust. There's no moving parts. And while it's certainly possible that they can go bad, it's not very likely that it will go bad during the lifespan of the entire computer. Now, if they do go bad, there is a warranty on here. I'm not quite sure what kind of customer service you're going to get, but you're throwing down less than $20. So in my opinion, when you weigh that against what you pay for your internet access every month, it doesn't take very long, in my opinion, to earn back for this thing to pay for itself, I guess is what I'm saying, even if it were to have an unusually short life, which is not normal, but anything's possible. So we don't have a big investment here, so it's not a big deal if anything should happen to it. And inside the box, you can get a free 64 gig USB 3.0 flash drive for leaving a review on the product. They don't specify it's got to be a positive review, but the bottom line is you're going to get a USB 64 gig flash drive, which probably isn't the fastest or best flash drive, and the Wi-Fi adapter for all under $20. And it's all stuff you can do yourself. So again, you're not going to get the fastest speeds, but most people that are that even have Wi-Fi routers don't have the latest ones. And this will connect in both the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz range. Now, I do realize on the package it does mention 5.8 gigahertz instead of the usual 5, but that's just the same thing. They're just being a little more specific, but it falls within the 5 gigahertz range, and it is technically accurate, but it's not, I don't want you to be worried about that difference being incompatible with your router. This will work with all Wi-Fi routers, both, as I mentioned, the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz, with a maximum throughput speed of 1200 megabits per second. All those details are there. And of course, the antenna is one of the things I like about this. The antenna is movable so that you can get the best signal strength. I like that you could plug this in the front of the computer if you have USB ports up on the front. And I like that it's small enough that it won't block access to the other USB ports if you want to plug in some other USB device and you have very few USB plugs. It can be very frustrating, as I'm sure you're aware, of plugging in something that's inconsiderate of other USB devices neighboring it. So this checks all the boxes. It works perfectly, and I have absolutely no complaints about it. Now be aware, most YouTube tech enthusiast channels are going to focus on what is the latest and greatest and most extreme. And if that's for you, that's not what I'm here for. But if you're just a regular computer user like the rest of us, and you're looking for a quick and inexpensive, reliable solution that you can do yourself, if you were my customer, or most of my customers, with regular needs, as most customers have, then I highly recommend this. Now, this is not a paid endorsement. This company, I've never heard of them before until I needed the adapters, and I was basing it on price, and I have found that they have exceeded my expectations. And it's because of that I want you to be aware that this has my endorsement, even though the company themselves has no idea who I am. They do not know I'm doing this. And the only way I make any money from this free YouTube video that I'm promoting somebody else's product is if you're going to purchase it. I have an Amazon link in the video notes below this, in the video description below this video. And if you click on that, it's going to take you to Amazon to the product page for this. That saves you the effort of having to find it. The price is still always the same. The difference is I make a small commission if you make a purchase. Whether you choose to search for it on your own or you choose to use my link, that's a shortcut to get you there, your price will be the same. As for other operating systems and compatibilities, please read the Amazon page. Do take a look at the reviews and see what other Amazon reviewers are saying, and know that yes, I want you to know that, of course, there are people who will get a dead on arrival product, or they'll just get a bad product for some reason, and they'll assume the entire product line is bad because of that one experience. But if you, of course, use your own judgment, look at the one-star reviews. There always should be one-star reviews on every product because, you know, people. But they should, the 5-star and 4-star and even the 3-star reviews should far outweigh one-star reviews when you're considering a product purchase from Amazon. Those reviews, in my opinion, are very critical. And if there were no one-star reviews, I would be very suspicious. I've read the one-star reviews. I find fine. I have found several of them to be quite ridiculous and unrealistic. However, make your decision accordingly. Amazon has great customer service. They have a very easy return policy. Because this is sold through Amazon, you're going to deal with Amazon's customer service policies and return policies, which are very, very generous. So I really feel like there's no risk here, at least representing the United States version of Amazon and their policies and prices. I can't speak for other countries. I really don't know how this thing prices out or if it's available in other countries. But I do hope that that helps you. And if you do end up buying one of these, let me know your comments, what you think about it in the comments below. Do you agree? Or do you know of a better USB Wi-Fi adapter under $20? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you all again very, very soon. Until then, bye for now.